Hey guys, it's Lex. So today's video is going to be really crappy quality and editing probably because I'm just using iMovie, but I thought that I would get something up onto the tube for you guys. So today's video is going to be a super simple, easy, cheap makeup tutorial. All of my makeup items that I'm using are gonna be from the drugstore. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, once we've washed our face, of course, we're going to go in with our Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Glow Getter Pressed Serum Moisturizer with vitamin C. I'm just going to dot all over my face and rub that baby in. Alright, after we rub that in, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown and start to fill in the bottom half of my eyebrow. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to brush my eyebrow hairs downwards so I can easily get a clean line when I fill in the top half of my eyebrows. Let's not forget, you must always trust in the process. Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and just like my moisturizer, I'm going to dot it all over my face. You only need like that much. And then I'm going to rub that baby in. Alright, now where the real magic begins, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear in 380 Pecan, and I'm going to clean up the under part of my eyebrows. Once I've cleaned up underneath both of my eyebrows, I'm going to dot above my eyebrow just like that. So it's kind of like a pre-shaped outline, and it's just a little bit easier to clean up and have cleaner lines. Do the same thing on the other eyebrow. I like to conceal the middle part of my eyebrow to make it a little bit less blocky. And then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Up to 24-Hour Fresh Wear in $4.95 and pump it all over my face. I also like to put some foundation on top of the concealer that's in the middle of my eyebrow and on my eyes to just make everything one color. And then I'm going to blend everything out, starting with my eyes and from the middle of my face. And then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the same color, again underneath my eyes to help brighten that up. And then I will be putting some onto my nose bridge. Next, I'm going to put the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder all over my under eye and on top of the bridge of my nose. While that bakes, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. bronzer palette. I'm going to use mostly the top left color, but a little bit of the bottom right color, the darker color. Make sure to tap out your brush to get out any excess powder. Now I'm going to use that same Halo Glow setting powder and use it to clean up the contour a little bit and just make everything look a little bit more clean. Time to brush off the powder that's on my under eye and the bridge of my nose. And do the same thing to the powder that was cleaning up the contour. Don't forget to curl them lashes. The mascara I like to use is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Curvitude. It really lengthens your lashes and just makes your eyelashes really pop and out there. I hate when this happens. Time for the lip gloss, which I actually almost forgot. Finishing touches. And there you guys go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you!